Let me now take you to a tour of our 4 BHK plus utility apartment. It has a total area of 181.22 square meter. The apartment is available in Tower A2 and A4. The entrance of the apartment is through the foyer. After walking through the foyer, we enter into this L-shaped dining and living area, which is very spacious. This has got imported marble flooring. The living area is also attached with a massive balcony which is overlooking the center greens, club air and the swimming pool. All the balconies has got anti-skid ceramic tiles in the flooring. Opposite to the entrance and adjacent to the living room, this is your first guest bedroom. The great thing about this room is that it has got its own balcony which is overlooking the center greens, the club air and the swimming pool. Moving ahead into the apartment, there is a store room which is only available in 4 BHK plus utility apartment. It can be used as a puja room or even a storage space. Adjacent to the dining area, there is a kitchen. It is a spacious U-shaped kitchen which is fitted with a sink and a granite slab. There is also a utility room adjacent to the kitchen utility balcony. Utility washroom also has anti-skid ceramic tiles. The utility room also has a separate entry from the outside so that it can be used by a servant. This utility room can also be used for the purpose of work from home. The entrance of the second bedroom is through a living area. This can be a children's bedroom. This is the children's room and this too has a long running balcony attached to the living and dining room balcony. The room is very spacious and a study table can be placed along with the bed for your kids. It has wooden laminated flooring like in all the bedrooms. Right opposite the children's room, this is the third bedroom which can also be used as a guest bedroom. It has a spacious bathroom with light sensor. Finally, at the end of this apartment, this is your master suite. You also have your own walk-in closet. It has a spacious washroom with light sensors. The bedroom is attached with a king-size balcony overlooking the center green, the swimming pool and club air. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. Reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries and we will resolve it for you. We are happy to welcome you soon at Godrej Air. Breathe easy.